Welcome back to Grammar Minute, your go-to spot for spending a few minutes and learning essential grammar. Today we're going to learn about quantifiers in English grammar with a special focus on a lot of and enough. Are you ready? Let's go.
There are a lot of books on the shelf. We don't have enough time to finish the project. She made a lot of mistakes in her essay. Do we have enough chairs for everyone? I need a lot of water to fill the tank. They brought a lot of snacks for the party. He doesn't have enough money to buy the car. There are a lot of people in the room. We don't have enough food for the guests. She received lots of compliments on her work. I've got a lot of friends in this city. Is there enough space in the car for our luggage? They received a lot of support from the community. The teacher gave us a lot of homework. She didn't make enough progress on her project. I don't have enough information to make a decision. Do we have enough ingredients to bake a cake? There are a lot of opportunities in this field. They brought a lot of drinks for the picnic. She has a lot of experience in this job.
How's your score? Feeling proud of yourself? Well done! Here's the tip for you if you still have some problems. Take a good look at this simple guide and you'll have no problem using it next time. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Grammar Minute. Drop your comment below and thank you for watching.